August 1 and welcome back to another travel vlog in my channel. We are currently in our road trip across America and this is our third day, I think. If you want to watch my vlog, our second day, I'm gonna link it all below here. We went yesterday to Watkins Glen State Park and it was a beautiful state park, but we are here right now at the, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's called Taughannock Falls. I think I'm butchering the name, but I'm pronouncing it by the syllables. So we are going to hike, and oh yeah, we slept here last night and we camped here at the park. We rented a campsite around $30, and yeah, if you want to watch that, I'm gonna link it also up here and below in my description box. But this morning we are going to hike and we are going to use the South Rim Trail, or maybe not. We are going to use this Gorge Trail.
Taughannock Falls has chiseled its canyon for at least 1,000 years just by using frost and floods as tools. In winter, wet rocks freeze and fracture around the waterfall and on the gorge walls.
When the time came, it will crash down and it creates this kind of cliffs, and it will widen and lengthen the gorge. What's that for? Okay, it's to brush the invasive species and the seeds before entering and leaving the area. That is so cool. They're so protective of the state and the park. So that's why the name is kinda very unique. It's an Indian name. By the way, guys, you know this falls? Yeah, this is the falls that we are going to, and it makes me remember the movie Pocahontas, Disney. And do you remember when she jumped over the waterfalls? It looks like that. So this is where we are now. This is where we park our car, and we are going to walk the Gorge Trail, yung gitna. Sabi nila you can start here, pero this is the best daw hike because it will take you directly to the base of the falls. This will take you to the taas ng falls daw, where you can have that famous picture. I think we need to go there after this trail because this one is a 3/4 mile lang and it is only 1.2 kilometers. So yeah, this is the map of the state park. What's that? Bakit ang gaganda ng bato? Ang gaganda ng bato.
Parang in-arrange ka, no?
Kaya nga eh. So this is the first spot. So beautiful. Sabi ni Papa, in-arrange daw yung mga bato. In-arrange ng great flood. It's so beautiful. The rocks are just so thick. Grabe, ang kapal ng bato, oh. Land that was once a sea. Although the ocean is hundreds of miles away, all the rock around you once formed. Oo nga, great flood nga to. So we found a trail that goes down to this beautiful shale. Shale daw ang pangalan, not limestone. Underneath it is the limestone. And then yung mga butas-butas na nakikita nyo sa ilalim is created by the rain because rain is a little bit acidic daw. So yeah, we took a picture here. It's so beautiful, guys. I don't know if you guys can appreciate it, pero I know cameras cannot do justice to the beauty of the nature. Anong klaseng bato? Kuha tayo mamaya pagbalik. Hindi, ngayon na baka ibang balikan natin.
Diba, ang isang great na lake ay Lake Erie.
Oh. So it's Lake Ontario, Lake Michigan. Tatlo sila.
Yung Lake Michigan at saka Lake Erie, pinifeed nila yung Lake Ontario. Tapos yung Ontario naman, pag napuno, labas siya sa Atlantic.
Ah.
Tapos yung mga ito, mga, ayan,
Nag-feed dun sa Michigan tsaka Erie.
Oo, at saka diretso sila sa Lake Ontario. Ito yata diretso ang Ontario ito.
So this is the widest point of the gorge. Ito yung mga Finger Lakes, di ba? Tapos lahat sila punta doon. Yung isang pinuntahan natin yung Chananda, part din, yung lake doon, part din yun na ano. Tapos yung Watkins part din, no? Ano kaya ang tree yan? So we're at the end of the trail. Hiking beyond this point is prohibited. Huh. Oh, there it is! Wow. Konti lang siya, Papa! Konti lang siya! May drought ngayon. Yan siya, guys, oh. So that's the North Trail, if you guys can see it. There's a balcony or a fence over there. Stay on main trail, swimming prohibited. May drought siya, guys. There's the falcons. Ang dami niyan dun sa tabi ng beach. And flowers. If you look halfway up the waterfall, you can see a faint line separating two kinds of stone. The Ithaca shale, the Sherborne-Sten shale. So this is the Taughannock Falls. Medyo drought yung panahon, so there's little water flowing and falling down. We took pictures. This is the Gorge Trail. It took you to the base of the falls. If you're going to do the North Rim Trail, doon yun. If you can see the people over there, I'm gonna zoom in. There you go. Yan. Diyan kinukuha yung mga famous photos na nakikita. Anyway, we're going back na. And then after this, we will be going to the Chimney Rock Bluff State Park. We're just going to take pictures there, and then Rochester is in next, and then on to our next campsite. We are going across America, and we have a lot in store for you guys, so make sure you subscribe in my channel, like this video, and comment below if you have been here in Taughannock Falls, or if you know the correct pronunciation of the Taughannock Falls. Okay guys, so there are kids swimming in the river in my back. I don't know if that's allowed, but I saw a lot of signs now saying don't swim and stay on the main track and everything. I'm here! My dad wanted to walk on the shale, and it's so beautiful. You can't imagine water can destroy this type of materials.
Mini waterfall.
Malamig ma? Okay, it's recording us.
I made it.
Okay guys, just in case you are going to travel here, you are coming and going to hike this trail, there's also an inn here at Taughannock. Aside from the camping site that you can rent for $31 or $30, there's an inn here. It's located right at the entrance of the Gorge Trail. The inn at Taughannock. I don't know the rates, guys, so just Google it. So we just finished our hike, and there's a delta in the park that is in front of the main entrance. I mean, park office. So this is, I don't know, what is this? Lake Seneca. It's a huge lake. So it's a beautiful park that you can walk. There's lots of picnic tables that you can sit and mug snacks. Oh, look at the rock. So flat. There's a seagull. Hi,